Hi guys, welcome back to my video. So today I'll be playing Santa Workshop Hobby. So let's get into it. Alright guys, so we are in and let's get started. I think we have to jump here. Just adjust. This is quite a big jump. Okay. Oh, we can walk here. I didn't know about. Are you ready for your tour of Santa's workshop? Let's go. Oh, it's starting now. Guys, what should we do this? Oh, just jump. That girl just died. And I'm going to die. Alright, so we are. This is pretty easy. Okay, oh my god, that scared me. Ooh, press. You know, where should we go? Oh, I go in the wrong way. What, did I die? Wait, what? Oh. Wait, I died? What? Is it cannot touch the present? No wonder. Wait, where should we go then? Guys, I'm so confused. Should we go up? Of course no. I need to like press that thing at the same time. Let's see how people do it. Oh, they fail. Let's go and see how people do it. They miss. You know what? I think we're supposed to go up. Yeah, we're supposed to go up. Oh, I missed the jump. I missed it. Of course not. You know, this is the hardest. Oh my god, guys, did you just see that? I almost failed. No! No! Oh my god. Just go. Jump here, jump here, jump here, jump here, jump up. I bet. Is it? You know what? I think I'm going the wrong way. Yeah, guys, I'm going the right way. Ooh. I bet people doesn't know. Okay, so I don't think the toy room is doing the best right now. Yeah, it's not doing the best. Fidget spinner, this spinning around, and where she go there? Going down, going. Santa really has gone mad. Quickly go. Whoa, how can Santa be mad? Santa is throwing candies cane. What? How can he do that? How did I not die? Alright, so I think Santa creates some sort of candy dimension. Ooh, Santa is really mad. Lol. I only die on that stage, and we should jump over. No. Guys, do you guys see that? I almost fall. Can we we step on this? I scared I die. I don't die. I think we can. You know what? Shortcut. No. Wait, I think I'm going the wrong way. Oh, jump down. I scared. No! I knew. It. How can he jump off here? Is this game crazy? You know what? Try my best. Yes, guys, I made it. Alright. Look, I beat all those people. Alright, now where we go? Checkpoint? Why am I not pressing it? Am I? Can I try to die? But please don't tell me I need to go back. Please. Yes, luckily. Of course not. I can do this by not buying that. Alright, now go up to this ladder, I think. Checkpoint. The elves are making giant press. Jump onto the press. Oh, I got stuck. Wow, this press is really giant. Really, and I died. I'm being careful about this. This is alright, I think I go and touch it and I'm running with. I don't even need a candy cane to jump over. Ooh, this is fun. Yeah, this. Now what? Giants is. Let's pass him and get to the Mr. Peter over there. How? Oh my god! I got it. Oh my god! That scared me, yeah. Dang it! We got eaten by a giant Santa. Okay, let's get out of here. What? The giant Santa eat McDonald's? French fries, hamburger. Oh, I thought I had to jump to it. Oh my god, I didn't see that. I hate this. This is the highest one I've ever tried. I touched that and didn't die. Ooh. Spawn a seed and then press the green button. Oh, it says spawn. Oh, nice. No. Guys, I want to use that. Guys, I say sit down. You know what? I'm just going to die. I want to use that. Just go and die. I want to use that. No. Go. My green button. So this. Oh my god, that's cool. Inside this article. Where is? It's not the end yet. Or I say jump off that. When will it be the end? Try not to. No. No. Oh my god. There is a small jump. Stop showing me up all the game files. I don't want it. I don't want to. This way of cheating. Alright, now what we do? Jump off here? You know what? I'm done. Okay, no. This is the hardest. I can't see the laser very well. You know what? I'll be right back once I can make it. Alright guys, I've been trying a lot of tries until I'm still right here, but I figured out a way to get across. Look, I can just jump over here and then jump over there. Never mind, I take back my words. Or here, should you jump over here? I bet not. Alright, never mind. Be right back once. You know what guys, I still can't get past that wall. And I think I'm going to stop here. Not that I want to quit, just that my computer almost not better. So yeah, I'm going to stop here. So hope you guys enjoyed. Make sure you hit that button, turn the post notification bell for more awesome new videos. And don't forget, comment down below if you want to see more awesome new video. And till the best of all time, peace out and goodbye.